Hey everyone, how are you? You live in a city or a village. Theft and robbery are happening almost everywhere. Now your home is unsafe, you're wondering what to do. Wouldn't it be great if you could know if your children or valuables are safe? At home, after going to the office or work? Then today's video is for you. Today we will show you the top 5 doorbell cameras that will notify you at the right time when the delivery boy or any other person comes to your house. This is a device that will help you keep your home 100% safe. Let's take a look.
Number 1.
Ring Battery Doorbell. You might think installing the Ring Battery Doorbell is hard. It's easier than you think. Its wireless design and built-in rechargeable battery mean it's easy to charge with a USB-C cable. In fact, you can use the Ring Battery Doorbell anywhere you want. If someone comes to visit you, they come to the front door. If you use it at the front door, you can control everyone with the doorbell. Connect it to the Ring app. Then you'll never have to worry about your home again. It'll feel like your home is always with you, no matter where you go. Since we installed it in our office, I haven't missed the office for a minute. You'll be instantly impressed by the video when the camera is at your door with the 1080p high-definition door. You'll even be able to see a bird flying past your door. You'll be wondering if this Ring doorbell can record clear video at night. Even at night, the camera won't let you down. It ensures you get clear, colorful night video. One day, you're at the office and suddenly someone comes to your house, and the Ring doorbell's real-time motion alerts will notify you. You can see them right away with a tap to view the live feed. You can talk to them using the two-way communications feature. Control your world with Alexa voice to get more from the things you love.
Number 2.
Blink Video Doorbell. In 2018, Amazon bought the most influential video doorbell brand in the Ring market for $1 billion. Since then, the brand has been managed by Amazon. Amazon has launched a new model of Blink Video Doorbell as a solution to your problem, which makes your home a security mainstay in its own right. The 1080p HD video resolution ensures crisp and clear footage of your doorstep, day or night. Infrared night vision allows you to monitor your home in low light conditions. Talk and listen to visitors in real time via the Blink Home Monitor app. Whether you're at home or away, you can interact with delivery personnel, guests, or potential intruders. The motion sensor detects movement and sends real-time alerts to your smartphone. Customize motion zones to focus on key areas and reduce false alarms. Battery-powered option allows for an easy, wire-free setup. Wired option provides continuous power and enables your existing chime to ring. Get alerts on Echo, Show, Fire TV, or other Alexa-enabled devices. Use voice commands to view live feeds or communicate through two-way audio.
Number 3.
Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. Ring's new battery-powered Doorbell Plus looks similar to its predecessor, but it has some big upgrades inside that improve the experience. It has a wider field of view so you can see what's happening at your door. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus offers advanced security, convenience, and seamless smart home integration. With 15,036p HD Plus resolution, it delivers crystal clear footage, while the head-to-toe view ensures you can see visitors and packages in full, minimizing blind spots. Enhanced noise reduction allows for clear two-way communication, making it easy to interact with the delivery personnel or deter potential intruders. Customizable motion zones provide tailored security alerts, while person and package detection ensures you receive only relevant notifications. Enhanced color night vision and infrared technology improve visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring round-the-clock surveillance. Its rechargeable battery design eliminates the need for doorbell wiring, and the USB-C charging port allows for faster and more efficient charging. Compatible with Alexa-enabled devices, it offers real-time alerts, live video feeds, and hands-free voice control, making home security effortless and effective.
Number 4.
Ring Video Doorbell. Wired. The Ring Video Doorbell. Wired brings peace of mind and effortless security to your home. ensuring you always stay connected and protected. Imagine never having to wonder who's at your door, whether it's a delivery, a visitor, or an unexpected guest. With 1080p HD video and infrared night vision, you'll see everything with stunning clarity, day or night. Customizable motion alerts mean you'll only be notified when it truly matters, reducing distractions and giving you control over your home's security. The built-in microphone and speaker let you greet guests, direct deliveries, or deter potential intruders, even when you're away. Its sleek, compact design blends seamlessly with your home, while the wired connection ensures non-stop protection without the hassle of battery changes. And with Alexa integration, monitoring your doorstep becomes as simple as using your voice. Beyond just real-time access, Ring Protect plans unlock even more possibilities. Recorded videos, easy sharing, and extended coverage, so you never miss a moment. With the Ring Video Doorbell wired, security is no longer a luxury. It's a seamless, stress-free experience that keeps your home and loved ones safe.
Number 5.
Google Nest Doorbell. The Google Nest Doorbell Battery isn't just a smart device. It's peace of mind at your doorstep. Imagine the relief of knowing that every visitor, package, or unexpected guest is just a glance away, no matter where you are. Whether you're relaxing at home, busy at work, or miles away on vacation, you're always connected. Whether it's bright daylight or total darkness, the HDR and night vision keep your view crystal clear. No wiring? No problem. No more missed deliveries. No more guessing who's knocking. And no more worrying about what's happening when you're not home. With instant alerts and real-time conversations, you're always in control. And with seamless integration into your Google Nest ecosystem, security becomes effortless. Your home isn't just protected, it feels safer, smarter, and more reassuring than ever. Because at the end of the day, security isn't just about technology. It's about the comfort of knowing your home and loved ones are safe. Which is the best? Choosing the right video doorbell means choosing peace of mind. Imagine never second-guessing who's at your door, whether you're home or away. If affordability and reliability matter most, the Ring Video Doorbell Wired ensures you never miss a visitor, delivering crisp 1080p HD video and instant motion alerts, all without breaking the bank. Prefer a wire-free setup? The Ring Battery Doorbell and Blink Video Doorbell keep things simple, with Blink offering an ultra-budget-friendly option. Need premium security? The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus provides a 15,036p HD Plus head-to-toe view, so you see every face, every package, every detail. But if you want true intelligence in your home security, the Google Nest Doorbell Battery takes it to the next level with AI-powered person and package detection, HDR video, and seamless Google Assistant integration. No matter your choice, each doorbell offers a way to stay connected, feel safer, and bring effortless control to your home security. Because protecting what matters most shouldn't be a luxury, it should be a certainty.